Can you see this screen and audio is clear? Now today we have to start our last exercise of this chapter. This chapter which is the heaviest weightage, 8 mark weightage with this chapter is, and the last exercise which is 13.8 that today we have to start. Volume of sphere today we have to learn. Then you can see here. See, this is your last exercise 13.8 and two more formulas. Means last two formulas for today you have to learn, and that is volume of sphere and volume of hemisphere. This is like that only, buy one get one free. If volume of sphere you will learn, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So hemisphere is half of sphere. So 4 by 3 pi r cubes half divide by 2, so 2 and 4 will cut, 2 2s are 4, so 2 by 3 pi r cube will come. So both of the formula you don't have to remember, just one formula you have to remember. That is volume sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. And with easy question we will start, but wait 1 minute because somebody is trying to enter. Okay, then now with easy question we will start. Can you see this screen? Okay, with easy question we will start. Today I will try to complete four questions. Okay, fourth one is important question. And as I have upload the syllabus, 15 mark descriptive part is there and 35 mark MCQ part is there. So you should be prepared for descriptive also. One more thing. This is as we have discussed last exercise. After completing this chapter, we will start revision. That is the fast track revision, because on 27th your maths paper is there. So tomorrow is actually today is 19th. From 21st, okay, from 21st of October, we'll start our fast track revision. Okay, 21st to 26th, and we will try to complete all the topics. Now let us start first question of this exercise. Formula in front of you. First question, actually it is not required to solve. I will just give you hint and you people have to try. Again somebody is trying to come. 1 minute. And now volume you have to find, radius is given, and formula in front of you, 4 by 3 pi r cube. So now I will find for second one. First you people try. First right now you have to solve. Second here I am going to solve. And then afterward we will complete on the same time our answer. I am going to solve right now. Okay, you have to solve first question. Okay, volume of sphere is equal to 4 by, you have to write complete statement, volume of sphere, not VOS, 4 by 3 pi r cube, and that is 4 by 3, so easy, 22 by 7 into r cube, 0.63 meter, so 63 by 100, again 63 by 100 into again 63 by 100. Now 7 nines are okay, and this is 3 threes are. Now 22 fours are 88 and 88 threes are okay, 88 into 3 into 63 into 63. 1 minute again, somebody is trying to come. You just calculate these things. Okay. Everybody, are you solving what I have given you? Or you are just seeing? Okay. Upon first is very much easy. Easily that will cut. 7 and denominator 7 for you people. First question easily that will cut. Upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 zeros are there. Now 88 into 3. See, these things we have to just calculate only. We cannot cut these things. A long multiplication here we have to do. Your second answer should be 1.047. Check that. 047, that is almost 0 point, because if this digit you want to remove, then the next digit you have to add 1. Okay, in next digit you have to add 1, so that 1.05 meter cube. In perfect figure this is 1.047 meter cube, otherwise in round figure that is 1.05 meter cube. This is your second answer, and first I hope you people have calculated. Anybody can reply what is the answer of first one, so that 1 by 3 you people have to divide. You cannot put like that. That much? Really? Match the answer because I don't know what is the calculation and all. Match that answer. Okay. Huh. Okay. Okay. The answer is given in 1 by 3 format. Then you have to write 1 by 3 format, because I don't know what the in behind pages answer is given in which format. Okay. Hmm. Okay, then good. I'm happy that you have calculated first one as well. 1 meter. Yes, Sohil. Who is this Nilesh Patel? Yes, Sohil, tell me what? No, they have put 1 by 3 as it is. This 4 by 3 pi r cube is there. So in 4 by 3 they have multiplied 4, but 1 by 3 they have put as it is. They have written the same answer in different format. They haven't divided 3. All are same. All answers are valid. If you put 1 by 3 and answer, then also. Otherwise, if you divide that 3, if you write 0.333, then also that is correct. And here, as you can see, I have completed I have completed second answer. This is just simple calculation only, but the decimal point was given, so calculation become little bit lengthy. So is it required to explain you again? Second, I have solved here answer you can see. If you have doubt, then you can ask. Otherwise, I will go for next question. From 1.047 to 1.05, how this come that? Okay, that is the rule that after decimal point, if last digit, if you want to remove. So if that digit is, see right now we are discussing about this digit, this 7, okay, this 7. Now if that digit is among 0 to 4, if that digit lies 0 to 4, then without any changes you can remove that digit. But if that digit lies among 5 to 9, then in next digit you have to add plus 1. For example, let me show you something. If I write 1.4053, okay, now this last digit here 3, if you want to remove, then without any change you can write 1.405, no need to change, and easily 3 you can remove. Now one more step, let us go ahead. Now if you wish to remove this 5, okay, this 5, so now this rule here it is applicable. If that is 0 to 4, see 5 is included in 0 to 4, no, that comes between 0 to 5, sorry, 5 to 9, okay. Then what you have to do, then in next digit you have to add 1, so that I have to write 1.41, and now 5 is removed. Here see 3 is removed, but any digit is not added in 5. But here see 5 is removed, okay, but in 0 1 is added, so that here I have written 1.41. Still now if you want to remove this 1, okay, so 1 will come among 0 to 4, so easily you can remove 1, no need to change, so directly 1.4 you can write. Okay, so it is like this. Done? Hello? Or still not understood? So I will explain you again and again. I don't have any problem. Things should be clear. Clear? Okay, then next one. See, second is given. Here also two questions are given. One I will solve, another you have to solve. Amount of water displaced by solid spherical ball, which diameter is given. So amount of water you have to find. Amount of water is obviously liter. So we have to here see answer will come. First answer will come centimeter cube. Second answer will come in meter cube, because here we have to find volume. Okay. Then let me write one conversion. Now that you should know. again and again I should not write, but then also this is the last time I'm going to write. What is the relation between meter cube and liter? Tell me. Very good. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Okay. And now relation between centimeter cube and liter is by logic also I can explain you, but directly you should remember this one. Okay, now let me explain you how this come. Okay, because if you want to know logic, sir, how this come, then let me explain you. See, 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Okay, but now 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter or not? So easy. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now 1 meter cube, now cube you are doing, so here instead of 2 zeros 6 zeros will come. 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros will come, and now it will come centimeter cube. Okay, so that I can say 1 meter cube is equal to uh, 10 lakh centimeter cube. Okay, so that 10 lakh centimeter cube, now you can write instead of 1 meter cube, so that I will write 1 2 3 4 5 6 centimeter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Now 30 and 30 will come cut, so what will come? 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So that directly I have written here 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. Okay, so again and again I will not explain you these things. See, after completing this lecture I'm going to put this lecture's recording. Okay, so afterward also this lecture at any time you can see, but then also this some type of important unit conversion you should write down right now only in your books, in your copy. So now these things I'm going to rough. I hope you have taken snapshot if required, otherwise you have written if required. Now because we have to come on our main topic, second question I'm going to solve. Okay, then now again volume of 1 meter, again somebody is trying to come, so late. See, last time I'm going to give him permission. Divyaraj, so late. Okay, again volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, and this is the diameter. See, so we have to write radius, huh? Because this is r cube, so don't put directly 21 0.21 cube 0.21 cube. It is not like that. We have to write radius is equal to 0.21 by 2. So 0.21 is actually 21 by 100. Okay, so 21 by 100 into 2 as it is. So now every time I will write 21 by 100 into 2. Okay, so 21 by 100 into 2, again 21 by, because cube we have to calculate, and again 21 by 100 into 2. Fonts are enough big or is it too small? Is it required to zoom? Because you have to calibrate with your mobile display. These font are enough capable to read. Okay. Now see here, 7 3s are this again 3 and 3 will cut. 2 2s are 4 and 4 is cut. Okay. And 2 11s are. So now 21's cube is 441. Sorry, 21 square is 441 into 11 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 zeros. Okay, so what will come? 441 into 10 plus 441. You have to calculate yourself. Huh? It is not like that. You have to solve like me only. So will come 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 4 plus 4, 8, and 4. So 441 into 11. So 4851 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now, again, we will not cut these things because we have to convert in liter. Okay. So we'll directly, because unit of this is meter cube. Okay. So for liter cube, what we will do, we'll directly multiply, because 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. So we have to directly multiply with 1000. So see now the answer will come, that will come in liters. So 30 and 30 is cut, and now 30 here. So 4.851 liter is the answer. 4.851. Okay, clear? Hello? From your side, video is running smooth or it is not smooth? Is it pause? Yes. Pause. So 4.85 is the answer. Is it clear? Because first we have to solve. Okay, first we have to solve. Now this come 4.85. Clear, so that we can go on next question, third one. Okay, third one. I think so. Fourth one will not be complete. Let's see what happens. Third question, the diameter of metallic ball is given, and you have to find the mass. Density is given. Density of metal is given. So easily here you have to, from the diameter, first we have to find the radius. From the radius you have to find volume, and that volume we have to convert in here in gram, because mass is here, mass is given. Okay, means mass you have to find. So density is given, so you have to just convert. See, all a full question maybe I will not solve. I'm just going to show you trick what to do. Yomi, oh Yomi, Yomi, are you there? Rutvik, Yomi, hello. All student, am I audible for all? Okay. Raithan, nobody is replying. I think network problem, or don't know what is the problem from your side. See now, next third question, diameter is 4.2. So radius is directly I'm going to write 2.1. Okay, 4.2's half is 2.1. Two's half is 1 and four's half is 2, like that only. Orally you should calculate. Okay, you have to calculate orally. It is not like that divide by 2 and then 4.2 and long division. It is not like that. Long division and that all are now childish. Okay, that is in 7 8 standard. Now orally you have to solve these things. 4.2 means actually you can consider 42, and 42's half is 21, and now you have to put 1 point, so that will become 20 sorry 2.1. So directly I'm writing radius is equal to 2.1 centimeter, and then 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, volume of sphere, 4 by 3 diameter of metallic ball. Okay, ball is given, so ball is always sphere, so that I have written here sphere. See, in exam problem will be there when questions will be merged, then you will be confused which formula I have to use here. And in exam in S7 I am talking about right now, you cannot cheat us, because which descriptive questions I will put in exam, that also you cannot find from anywhere, because that will be twisted. So if logic you will learn, let me repeat again, if logic you will learn, then and then only you will be capable to answer all the descriptive as well as MCQ based questions. See, I'm not that kind of teacher that I just reduce my syllabus to increase the result, okay, to show the other people and to show the other parents and to the principals, and not, it's not like that. I can cut, I can remove the syllabus, okay, half of syllabus I can put in S7, and as it is questions I can put in S7, but it is not like that. Full syllabus will ask, questions will be twisted, then and then only you will be realize your level, you will be know your level, on which platform right now you are standing. Okay, so that on logic you have to focus. Now back to point, 4 by 3 and pi, that is 22 by 7, and now r cube. Okay, so 21 by 10 into 21 by 10 into 21 by 10. 7 3s are 3 3 again cut, 22 4s are 88 into 21 square is 441 upon 1000 will come. Okay, then you tell me now. I am getting bored by multiplying these numbers. Tell me what is the multiplication of this number, 441 into 88. Very good, so fast. Okay, I haven't calculated these things, but what you have replied that I have written. Okay, 38.8, not 8 centimeter cube. And now, because we have to find mass, so we have to write 1 centimeter cube is equal to 8.9 gram. Okay, mass, volume. Okay, volume which is in centimeter cube, and mass which is in gram, gm. So if uh, 1 centimeter cube is there, then 8.9 gram is the weight, means mass actually I should say. So if 38.808, then how much? Then that is multiplication only how to, yeah, 38.808 into 8.9. Then actually you should do like this, 38808 into 89 upon 1230 and 10. And now you have to multiply this both number and divide by 40. Tell me what is the answer. Otherwise, if you not want to divide 1010, then this typical decimal points multiplication you have to do. If you are enough capable to multiply decimal point, then I don't have any problem. Directly you can multiply. For your easiness, I have removed the point. Otherwise, like this, you have to do 38.8 not 8 into 8.9. See, like this. This is really typical and boring. So that I have removed all the point. Now it is easy for you. 38,808 into 89. Tell me what is the multiplication. Is it required to multiply from my side? Then let me start. Okay. No, no, no. Hmm. Yes, 3 actually, it is not like that. 345.39 gram. And in kilogram, if it is asked, then again you have to divide by 1000. But answer should be in this format, I think so. Check that. Because in gram they have asked, their answer should be in gram. Otherwise, you have to, okay, 345.39 gram. That is the answer. Okay. I want reply from all student. Is it clear? So that, okay. Now next question actually I wanted to start, but now if I will start, then it will take minimum 20 minutes because this is the important question. And last year I have asked this question 2 times in some periodic test and in SA1. Okay, both. So that this is really important question, and this kind of area related question we have learned in exercise number, I think so, 13.3 or 4, area of sphere. And now this is volume of sphere. Okay, relationship between moon and earth. The diameter of moon is 1 by 4th part of the earth. Then we have found the ratio between the areas ratio of earth and moon. And here the same thing we have to find, but for volume the same thing we have to repeat. So this is important question. Don't mix up with area. Huh? Optional we don't solve because the optional exercise don't come in exam. So for extraordinary student, if you people are solving and if you are facing difficulty, if you are really interested, highly interested in mathematics, then I will help you, I will not deny you. But in any chapter, any optional exercise we will not solve because that is not exam oriented. So this is our last one, final exercise for this chapter. And this fourth chapter I will not, sorry, fourth question I will not start. Tomorrow we will start. Okay, because this is really important question and it will take so long
These are the
time.
top results.
Okay, then up to this third question only, and now I'm going to end this session. I hope you people have enjoyed this session. Actually, app is already in Play Store, but data is remain to upload. And for last 4 days, I was not in school because I'm in some occasion. So that work was paused. Now I will upload that data, and then I will start my publicity, and then you can download that app. So you will also see some data and some important things for you also. So still I'm going to upload these things, and now after all we'll discuss about that also. And now finally I'm going to end this session. If you have doubt, then you can ask. Otherwise, I'm going to end this. If you don't have doubt, then you may leave. Yes, Sahil. Oh, okay. Okay, thank you for today. We'll meet tomorrow in our regular session. Bye bye. Thank you. पत्ता भी थी तू
Vicky Angel.